Hi, hello, and welcome to SrikarTV. Myself Nani.
Myself Bunny.
We are Marepally brothers. We are here to review on yesterday's match between RR and CSK.
RR won by 16 runs.
Both the team added big score to their scoreboard. Each team scored 200 plus runs.
And it was an incredible performance by Sanju Samson. He scored 74 runs in 32 balls.
Starting with the match, CSK won the toss and chose to ball first. It was RR's batting performance which made a total of 216 for fall of 7 wickets.
With the early fall of first wicket in the third over by Deepak Chahar, who took the wicket of the debutant Yashasvi Jaiswal. And it was the heroics of the opener Smith and Sanju Samson who took the match for the RR.
They have scored a total of 126 runs in 10 overs. Their partnership was so brilliant. Sanju Samson was going on hitting.
Especially Sanju Samson scored 74 runs in 32 balls. He hit 9 sixes, 4 fours in 32 balls, and he scored the fastest half century in UAE with 19 balls.
He shared the same record with David Miller. David Miller also scored an half century in 19 balls against CSK in UAE.
And it was another companion with Sanju Samson who was Steven Smith, who took the score to 216 by adding 69 runs to his team.
After Sanju Samson and Steve Smith's partnership, the middle order failed to keep up the expectations of the team. And at the end, in the last over, Jofra Archer, being a bowler, scored 4 consecutive sixes.
After falling quick wickets, it was the Nigdi CSK pacer who took the wicket of the valued player Sanju Samson but failed to show his heroics in the death over.
Yes, bro. Jofra Archer had been great with his bat. He scored 4 consecutive sixes and the bowler got tensed with 2 no balls and given free runs to the team. It was Jofra Archer who made RR to surpass 200.
Yes, brother. That's why RR made a huge total of 216 runs.
But there was a great performance by the CSK bowlers, especially Sam Curran, a youngster who took 3 wickets. After bad opening of CSK, Fab du Plessis was consistent and made a total of 72 runs, which added the CSK to chase RR.
Yes, bro. Fab du Plessis is consistent in his form by scoring 58 runs in last match and scoring 74 runs in today's match.
Ruturaj Gaikwad, who was replacement of Ambati Rayudu, was gone duck. He was being stumped by Sanju Samson in Rahul Tewatia's over.
Yes, bro. Young Gaikwad got a golden opportunity to score runs in the replacement of Ambati Rayudu but failed. CSK's batting lineup were not up to mark and failed to reach the target.
In the death over of CSK, MS Dhoni hit 3 sixes against Tom Curran. It was fan feeling and a great moment for MS Dhoni.
Okay, bro. What about today's match?
Yeah, it's a match between MI and KKR.
Yes, bro. I am supporting KKR
I am supporting MI.
because Andrew Russell, the massive hitter.
Rohit Sharma, the big hitter.
Let's see.
Let's wait and watch. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon for further updates.
Please like, share and comment to our video.
Thanks for
For
watching.
watching.